Imagine a world where our human footprint extends beyond our own planet, a realm where our actions shape the very geology of celestial bodies. Welcome to the Lunar Anthropocene, a captivating concept that has sparked curiosity and ignited debates among scientists and astronomers alike. In this video, we'll delve into the story behind this revolutionary idea, exploring what it means and why it holds such immense importance. So buckle up and get ready to embark on a celestial journey that will forever change the way you perceive our place in the cosmos. The Lunar Anthropocene and human impact. The term Anthropocene refers to a geological epoch on Earth, marked by significant human influence. But did you know that a similar epoch may have already begun on the Moon? Enter the Lunar Anthropocene. This groundbreaking idea suggests that humans have initiated a new geological period on Earth's satellite through their activities. Luna 2, the first spacecraft to land on the Moon, kickstarted the Lunar Anthropocene. Its historic landing in 1959 marked the beginning of human exploration and impact on the lunar surface. Since then, space agencies and commercial entities have sent numerous missions to the Moon, leaving behind unmistakable traces of human presence. Crashed spacecraft, surface disturbances, astronaut footprints, and even man-made objects dot the lunar landscape, forever altering its pristine nature. It raises profound questions about our role as cosmic pioneers and the consequences of our actions. We must understand and study this impact before irreversible damage occurs. It's a call to recognize the importance of responsible exploration and the preservation of our lunar legacy. But what are the tangible implications of the Lunar Anthropocene? Let's dive deeper into the traces of human exploration on the Moon and discover the fascinating stories they unveil. Scientists have tried for years to declare a definitive Anthropocene on Earth, and recently presented new evidence of a site in Canada that some researchers believe marks the start of the transformative chapter in our planet's history. Unveiling the Lunar Anthropocene. Just as humans profoundly influenced Earth during the Anthropocene epoch, our presence on the Moon has left a lasting impact that scientists now recognize as the Lunar Anthropocene. It refers to a geological period in which human activities have significantly altered the Moon's natural state. It marks a new chapter in the Moon's history, with humanity as its primary protagonist. Evidence of the Lunar Anthropocene can be observed in the traces we've left behind. Impact craters from spacecraft landings, remnants of lunar missions, and even the footprints of astronauts bear witness to our presence on this celestial body. These tangible remnants serve as a reminder of our ambition, resilience, and the technological advancements that allowed us to explore the Moon's desolate terrain. They symbolize our ability to transcend boundaries and achieve remarkable feats. As we delve further into the Lunar Anthropocene, we must recognize the implications of our actions and strive for responsible lunar exploration to ensure a sustainable future for both Earth and the Moon. The Moon, however, is littered with the traces of exploration. Since Luna 2's landing, more than 100 spacecraft have crashed and made soft landings on the Moon, and humans have caused surface disturbances in at least 58 additional locations on the lunar surface. Touching down on the lunar surface is incredibly difficult, as evidenced by numerous crashes that have made their mark and created new craters. The Cold War space race kicked off a series of lunar missions, and the majority since then have been uncrewed. NASA's Apollo missions were the first to send humans around the Moon during the 1960s, before safely landing astronauts on the lunar surface for the first time in 1969 with Apollo 11. Ultimately, 12 NASA astronauts walked on the lunar surface between 1969 and 1972. From Earth, the Moon appears unchanged. After all, it doesn't have a protective atmosphere or magnetosphere like our life-sustaining world does. Micrometeorites regularly hit the surface because the Moon has no way of shielding itself from space rocks. The Moon also has features like a delicate exosphere composed of dust and gas and ice inside permanently shadowed areas that are vulnerable and could be disturbed by continued explorations. Unanswered questions and future exploration. The Lunar Anthropocene opens the door to a realm of unanswered questions, beckoning us to unravel the secrets of our lunar neighbor. As we gaze towards the future, new horizons of exploration await us. The renewed interest from space agencies and commercial entities in returning to the Moon signifies our relentless pursuit of knowledge and understanding. The unanswered questions raised by the Lunar Anthropocene encompass the extent of human impact, potential long-term consequences, and the ethical considerations surrounding future lunar exploration. The Lunar Anthropocene not only presents a wealth of scientific opportunities, but also challenges us to reflect on our place in the universe and the significance of our actions beyond Earth. India's Chandrayaan-3 mission made a historic successful landing on the Moon in 2023, after Russia's Luna 25 spacecraft and Japanese company iSpace's Hakuto-R lander both crashed. This year, Astrobotic Technologies' Peregrine spacecraft launched this week amid objections by the Navajo Nation that the vehicle carried human remains that customers paid to send to the lunar surface, sparking fresh debate over who controls the Moon. But a propulsion issue noticed hours after liftoff means that Peregrine won't be able to attempt a Moon landing, and currently, its fate is uncertain. NASA's Artemis program intends to return humans to the lunar surface in 2026. The agency's ambitions include establishing a sustained human presence on the Moon, with habitats that are supported by resources like water ice at the lunar South Pole. China's space ambitions also include landing on the Moon. In the context of the new space race, the lunar landscape will be entirely different in 50 years. Multiple countries will be present, leading to numerous challenges. Our goal is to dispel the lunar static myth and emphasize the importance of our impact, not only in the past, but ongoing and in the future. We aim to initiate discussions about our impact on the lunar surface before it's too late. And there you have it, the captivating tale of the Lunar Anthropocene. From Luna 2's historic landing to the traces of human exploration scattered across the Moon, on the Moon have come to be viewed as artifacts that essentially need some form of protection. Researchers have long expressed a desire to maintain the Apollo landing sites and catalog the items left behind to preserve space heritage. But this type of preservation is difficult to pull off because no one country or entity owns the Moon. The concept of a Lunar Anthropocene aims to raise awareness and contemplation regarding our impact on the lunar surface, as well as our influence on the preservation of historical artifacts. The Apollo 11 lunar landing marked the first time humans set foot on another world. The footprints left in the lunar dust by astronauts are perhaps the most emblematic of humanity's ongoing journey, which will likely include planets like Mars in the future, the researchers said. As we conclude this celestial journey, we thank you for joining us and exploring the wonders of the Lunar Anthropocene. Remember, our actions shape not only our planet, but also the celestial bodies that grace the night sky. So, let's strive for responsible exploration, ensuring a legacy that future generations will admire and cherish. Humanity's traces. The Lunar Anthropocene reminds us that we are not only inhabitants of Earth, but also pioneers of the cosmos. It's a testament to our insatiable curiosity and our boundless desire to reach for the stars. By understanding and appreciating our impact on the Moon, we gain a deeper understanding of ourselves and the fragile nature of celestial bodies. So let's continue to explore, discover, and protect the wonders of the universe, leaving a legacy that will inspire generations to come. Thank you for watching, and see you next time.